Oh, is that funny? Oh, Dad got you! Woo!
What?
Yeah, that was good. Say, good job, Mommy. There, we'll try that. Are you getting out? Don't get out. Mommy just crushed your lid. Hold on. Here, Dad. Fix it. No.
I was gonna make her do it.
That's it. Climb in there.
I launched the boat.
Is that funny? What was that? Was that dude? Is that the dog? Ooh, kiddo, look what Dad's doing. Look what Dad's doing.
Watch this. This will be fun. Ready?
Slide. Woo! Yay! Clap for her. Yay!
You want to do it again?
Are the dogs playing? Is that funny? I know, I see them. She's like, do it again, Dad. Come on, let's go. Be there to spot her since she's slippery. Yay! You can do it. She's like, it's lifting up. I'm not so sure about this. There you go. Go! Yeah! Do it! Do it! Woo! Yay!
What's that all about?
What are you grunting for? She's Queen of the Hill. Look at you. Hi.
Are you actually taking pictures?
I'm recording.
Ah.
Aurora, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Can you wave?
Say bye-bye.
How about this? Say hi. She's like, no, my foot's stuck. Will you help her? Hi.
You're having a hard time, aren't you, kiddo?
Aurora. Hi.
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 Hi. Woo! All right. All right. Oh, uh-oh.
You're
Uh-oh,
alright.
SpaghettiOs. You're okay? Do this.
Do what with it?
That's what it sounded like she said, was do this.
Oh, I sank the boat.
You see her squatting there with her hands on her knees.
Yeah.
Like, come on, Dad, what you doing? Say, do this.
Do this.